back in Blender, I'll pick an object and I want to create a material. In your case, it should be material 01, but in my case, it's already done a few materials, so it's 03. And then I pick all the objects except for this guy. So this guy, control selected, has to be the last one. And then when I click Control L, I say link materials, and each object now has the same material. And if I apply different texture, it will be applied to all of these objects. I do want to change the surface material to background. So that background material is very, very simple. It doesn't have any shading to it, no specularity, no shadows. And that's what we need because we already have all our lighting happening on the image, on the photo that we generated in Stable Diffusion. Now go into shading. It already shows our background material as spacebar, image texture, and go look for our final render. So I found it, then I'll just drag the color to color output in background. And now we have our projection. Our image looks very dark, so we need to change this color space. I will go into the render, scroll all the way down to color management and change the raw, which we had used for the depth, to AGX to get nice render. I can see certain issues with the projection. It's all skewed and such. We can fix that. For that, I need to pick all my meshes again, and we need to add more geometry to it. Right now, the geometry is too low for good projection. Pick that stuff up and press A, and then subdivide and do it again and do it again and do it again. Now it's getting a bit heavy. That should be good enough. And project the UVs from view again. I have to go first set view to camera and then pick everything else. Press tab, press A to pick everything. It's already picked. And go UV, project from view. That will restore the issues. If I press home, you can see now it's getting better overall. I do see the back window, right? The back window is wobbly because there's not enough geometry on the back. To fix that, I'm just picking this room, going into the invisible mode, pass-through mode, delete all the faces. I will just use one of these boxes. I will stretch it out. I do need to project from my camera again. Press tab, press A, and project. We will build